Hi everyone! Welcome back to Indoorsymom. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite cozy comfort foods, a creamy Arabic-style lentil soup. It's warm, healthy, budget-friendly, and super easy to make. So, if you want a one-pot recipe that your whole family will love, keep watching. In a soup pot, I'm heating a little oil. Let's add the chopped onions and sauté until soft. Now I'm adding the garlic. This is where the aroma starts to build. Next, I'm adding my cubed potatoes. I'll cook these until they're halfway done before adding the diced carrots. Now let's add the tomatoes. Give everything a good mix. I'm seasoning with salt, pepper, and turmeric powder. This gives the soup its beautiful golden color. I soak my lentils for 15 minutes so they cook faster and become extra soft. I'm adding them in, then pouring water, or you can use broth for more flavor. Add the bay leaves, close the lid, and let it simmer until everything is tender. The lentils and veggies are soft now. I'll let the soup cool a bit. Before blending the soup, don't forget to remove the laurel leaves. I'm preparing some easy homemade croutons. I'm cutting flat bread into small squares and frying them until crispy. These add the perfect crunch. Now let's blend the soup until it's smooth and creamy. You can also use a hand grinder if you don't want to transfer it to a blender. Back into the pot it goes. On low heat, I'm adding paprika and cumin powder for that warm Arabic flavor. Taste and adjust the salt and pepper. Serve it hot with a drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon, fresh coriander, and of course, our crunchy homemade croutons. And that's it! Our creamy lentil soup is ready to enjoy. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indoorsymom for more easy and comforting dishes. See you on the next video!